2002 GSX-R1000 K1. Just put a new battery on because that was goosed. And if you look down here, there's a small dent. The bike's, I think, previous owners laid the bike down because it's scratched and impacted. And you know, I like things right, so I found a replacement, another code 40F0, so it's an exact match, and we're going to stick it on. So we'll take this one off and put the replacement back on. Hello, Staxon. But first, we're going to get this off and we'll have a sound check without the can. Let's see what the thing sounds like. I've already taken the bolts off. But yeah, look at that. Doesn't look great. Does not look great. So we'll try and repair that. Try and get the dent out. Maybe keep it as a spare or sell it. Not sure yet, but that'll go on the shelf for now. Next to my other 5,000 exhausts. So here we go. I bought this from a guy off Facebook Marketplace. Really, really nice guy. It looks absolutely brand new. Don't think this has ever been on a bike. Same code, 40F0. So it's the right can for the bike. So it's a pretty straightforward job. Just one off, one on. But yeah, before we do, let's have a little cold start without the can. Sounds all right. Sounds like one of them American drag cars, you know, the drag racing cars. Very deep. Give it a little blip. Sounds pretty good, to be honest. Right, let's get this whapped on. There's just something about these older bikes. You've just got to, well, I think you do anyway, you've got to get them looking as original as you can. There's a few little jobs to do on this bike. I've collaborated with Fowler's and they've supplied some parts for the bike, some gaskets and bits, because these covers have been taken back to polished metal, so these need to be satin black. So do these. So do the brake calipers. They need to be Suzuki gold. So that's all jobs that'll get done. Bloody crank callers. Don't you think that feature on iPhone is brilliant, where you can basically ask the caller for more information? I think that's brilliant. It's a real good way of screening your calls. Love you. Such a good boy, aren't you? You love tinkering, don't you, with Daddy? Yes, you do. You love tinkering, don't you? Tinker, tinker. I love you. You are such a good boy. You are a good boy, aren't you? And I think this has got to be one of the best looking bikes from this sort of era. K1. Gorgeous. Have a little start, make sure there's no leaks. No, we're all good there. And I think that standard can sound great. I really do. It suits the bike and it looks good. There's just something about tinkering with bikes. If you're a bike person, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Just tinkering, doing stuff like this, just messing about. It's just great. There we go. Easy job. Easy job. And that's it, guys. As easy as that. Battery changed. Exhaust swapped over in about 5 minutes. Right, let's have a little cold start. Well, it's not a cold start, but you know what I mean. And that sounds absolutely perfect.